Join me for my whirlwind 4-hour cruise as I race around the Carnival Celebration. I've been given limited time on board and I'm on a mission to explore, experience and taste as much as I possibly can before they kick me off this cruise ship. So let's get going.
We are in the terminal. I'm just walking towards the doors and we're going to try and get on. Okay, we have got past the final check and now we are getting on board. Thank you. Hello, how are you? Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. Wow. All right, so I am in the lift. I'm gonna go up to deck 18 first. That's gonna get the busiest, isn't it? Look at this, it's basically empty, like there's no one on here yet. I feel very lucky to be one of the first people on board. Look at this! I've already made some friends. Hey! Okay, first up we have come to Blue Iguanas and I am gonna have a burrito made by Awan. Chicken! Oh, and then, yeah, tomatoes please. Yes, please. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Awan. We're gonna get a drink. We gotta get a drink. Have some lemonade. Okay, let's try the Blue Iguana burrito. It's really good. It's really, really good, yeah.
Now, what is that?
I had a chicken burrito with guacamole. It's great. Highly recommend.
From right here?
From right here, yeah. Go for it. Go nuts. Okay, I am officially in the pool. Unfortunately, I can't get in anymore because I didn't bring my swimwear. But, I mean, to be the first one in the pool on embarkation day is pretty good going, right? So, I'm happy. So we are on the Carnival Celebration for 4 hours. So we are going to see as much of this ship as we possibly can. Okay, we have reached deck 18. This is the adults only retreat. Let's go and take a look. We love an adults only section of the cruise ship. Oh, this is gorgeous. I even kind of match the adults area with what I'm wearing, so I feel like it's meant to be. I'm meant to be here. Look at this. Look at this sunken seating area. This is so cool. And these beds, oh my God, they look amazing. Oh my God, that's great. Okay, I have just seen something even cooler, which we must go and check out. We have to go and see that. Okay, we need to go upstairs to check out this pool. Loft 19. Let's go. Okay, welcome to Loft 19. This is stunning. Okay, so this looks down onto the adults only section that we were just in, and then this is the pool. Wow. Okay, so you can do a little bit of people watching. This is honestly so beautiful. Imagine this on a sea day, you're right at the front of the ship. You've got the wind blowing through your hair. Okay, now we are gonna go downstairs and try and find something else to do. So it looks like it's all staterooms until we get to the 16 and then 8. We are going to go down 2 decks to deck 16, where we are going to find the Lido buffet. The buffet is always a very busy place on embarkation day on a cruise ship, so it'll be interesting to see how busy it is. We are here. We want to go. Okay, so as per, everyone has come to the buffet. It is the first thing everyone does. So I have had a burrito, so I'm not hungry. I do not eat at the buffet, but it's nice. Nice that there is like a clear walkway. There's also more seating here. Hey! Thank you. But these desserts look very good. It looks so nice. Okay. But there is no time to eat because we are only here for 4 hours, so we need to get on with it because we need to see as much of the ship as humanly possible. So friendly, so friendly. We're gonna get some water because honestly all this running around is so exciting. But it's thirsty work, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we're leaving the Lido. Oh, this is what's on. They have Gladiator 2, I still haven't seen that yet. We're gonna make our way down. We have now done pretty much all of this. So now we need to go down to deck 8 because that's where all of these other venues are. This is huge. It's not like the biggest atrium I've ever seen, but I think because it's designed so differently to anything I've seen on another cruise ship, this is pretty wild. Here we have the sushi bar. It's not open yet, I don't think. My really good friend, who I'm actually staying with in Miami at the moment, used to work on Carnival, and she said that the crispy tuna in here is the best she's ever had. Not on a cruise ship, like ever. And then this is the teppanyaki restaurant. Oh my God, this is amazing! Havana bar. Oh, very nice. Hello, how are you? Okay, shebang. Chinese Mexican cuisine. And you can see them cooking. Hi! They're all so friendly. Some lovely pictures of Italy that no doubt we can purchase. But the plan is not to purchase artwork today, so let's continue on our tour. Oh, here's a map. Let's have a look. All right, so we've just walked past Shebang, so that means all of this is cabins. We need to go and see what's at the back because we have not seen that yet. Okay. Iris art. Woo! Hey!
It goes inside your eyes. It's painless. I promise you. Take a picture of her eyes.
On my eye, okay.
There you go.
Okay.
I can show her. That's Lucy's eye.
So on Carnival, pictures are a really big deal. Something I've noticed about other cruise lines is guests actively avoid having their picture taken. So the photo gallery doesn't really get much action, but on Carnival, pictures are a major thing. Like, as you may have seen when we walked in, instead of the cruise line having the usual one banner where you can take a photo in front of, Carnival had 8, and then now we're walking through a pixel gallery. I mean, it's a whole gallery because so many people do take advantage of having the opportunity to have their photo taken. I mean, I feel like this is a great place to have a picture, but I have no one to take a picture of me. The Sea Grill. Ooh, okay, let's go in. Look at this. Okay, back to the main walk we go. I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving this ship. It's so cool. And you might be watching this video thinking, I want to go on a cruise, but I definitely want to go on one for more than 4 hours, and I don't blame you. So I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you about Cruises It. They are a travel agency that I have decided to partner with because they are absolutely excellent at what they do. Not only can they get better prices than if you booked directly with the cruise line, but they can also get you loads of perks and loads of little special extras. So if you are looking to go on a cruise, then please consider checking out my link below. Have a look at their website and all the amazing things that they have on offer for you. Carnival Adventures. So we can get our Yeti flask with our Carnival logo on. Is the excursions desk. See what excursions we can do. There's lots. We could do something in Grand Turk. Unfortunately, I will not be here for Grand Turk or Amber Cove or Nassau, but we do have 2 more hours left, so let's go. And as usual on embarkation day, guest services is very busy. Okay. So I'm guessing this is like the sports bar. It feels like a sports bar. So yeah, I'm guessing this is a sports bar. So this is a sports bar. They also have the American Heroes bar here as well. And he said they have 3 menus in 1 different venue. Let's have a look. We are right at the back of the ship. We've just come out of the sports bar, and this is absolutely glorious. Now we are on the outer deck, and I'm not gonna lie, it is boiling. Light lounge. I'm ready, even though I am not sailing this cruise. If anything should happen in the next 20 minutes, I'm ready. Okay, we have come to the shop. Makes me think of my days doing delivery when I worked on ships. So long ago. Okay, there we have the casino. Casinos on cruise ships usually have no windows, so this is actually lovely that it's got a huge window and it's actually light in here. It doesn't feel as dingy as casinos usually do. We are in the Grand Theatre. So I've just come out of the theatre. We are now at the front of the ship on deck 6, and here is the spa. So let's go and have a look.
My tour?
I would love you to take me around for my tour. Yeah. Nice to meet you. I'm Lucy. Okay, we have come to the gym. This looks very cool. Hi. I'm very well. There's a hot tub, but wow! 10 years younger. I'd love to look 10 years younger. left the spa and we are now heading to the aft of the ship on deck 6. Okay, it is nearly 1 o'clock and it is getting a lot busier. Okay, so deck 6 midship, right by the Atrium, is where we've got all the shops, but obviously they are closed. As if they've got Kylie skin, that's cool. Have the gateway. Okay, and then we have the lower deck of the festival restaurant, which means we're at the back of the ship again. So we are going to go down to deck 5. Ooh. What is going on here? Okay, it is now 1:20 and can you believe I am hungry again? So I have come back to the buffet on deck 16. I'm gonna get a little something to nibble on. Okay, so I have gone for chicken shawarma, which looks really, really lovely. Just a little something, and then I couldn't resist. This German chocolate cake looks amazing, so let's try it. That's really good. I gotta be honest though, it wasn't as good as the burrito. But it's chocolate cake with caramelized coconut on top and in between. And that is extraordinary.
We held it down.
I did not know that Big Chicken was Shaquille O'Neal's thing. So we are at the back of the ship on deck 16 and look at this. Can I do it? I really hope I can. Ah! Okay, no! I'm gonna try again and see if I do any better. Okay, yes! Okay, I've got the hang of it now. So much fun. Everyone is in such good spirits. Oh my God, they've closed the gangway. Okay, I had a bit of a panic then. I just went up to him and I was like, I'm a visitor, I need to get off. But he was like, it's fine. There's another gangway. I was like, oh, okay. Guys, it is officially time to get off the cruise ship. So sad. It is 2:29, so I have 1 minute left. I haven't done everything I wanted to. I haven't tried bolts. I haven't been on the water slide. I didn't actually get in the pool fully. So I'm gonna have to come back and stay on board so I can actually do that. But I wanna say a massive thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you being here. If you have enjoyed it, then please let me know in the comments and of course, smash that like button. But as always, guys, I will see you in the next video.